Okay, so this is the Metropark Hotel in Macau, and I'll just give you a quick little view to the top. So it's kind of a self-contained little building, kind of interesting hotel rooms. It'll be kind of interesting. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around it and kind of show you this neighborhood a little bit. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's Metropark. Let me give you a little context. This is kind of a main road. There's Rio Casino down that way. And there's also down that way, there's a police station. There's also Lisboa. So we're gonna probably walk down it in a little bit. Give you those other contacts. There's Landmark Casino, straight down that way. And there's some other casinos that are all around this whole area. But we're going to focus on Metropark. McDonald's is right here as well. So people interested in McDonald's can come here. Metro Mall. I'm not sure what's in the Metro Mall exactly. I don't even know there was a mall there. Okay, so here's Metropark. Another little shot of it. Those are all residential. So all those are residential apartments, and these are residential apartments too. So locals live there. Kind of a cool restaurant. Wang Cha. You can sit outside too. So you can get your coffee. So it's like mostly a place to get your okay. Pharmacy. So this is part of the mall, and I believe that's part of Landmark. So Daiso is part of that mall, and then this would be the Landmark right in there. So that's the Metropark. So I think what we're gonna do is Rio Casino right there. I think what we're gonna do is kind of try to run across illegally here, so that you can see the Metropark from the side, and you can also kind of get a view from it on this side as well. So now you can see that one down there is Lisboa Casino, that yellow one. Go down that way. Macau Finance Center. Okay, so let's just focus on that one still, and we're gonna go behind it a little bit. They're making some meat, some restaurants, backside of some restaurants right there. So it looks like the Metropark is this building right here, and then it's more residential is behind it. Huh. Little restaurant right there too. So okay, that's Holiday Inn Express right there. So that's our focus, Metropark, Holiday Inn Express. These are all residential above us like that. So those three are residentials. So that's the there's a park over there. Just kind of go up a little bit further. I want to show you there's also a hospital up here. I don't know how you'd walk to the hospital from here. It's up the hill, but there's some kind of elevator up there that I know there's an elevator kind of that way a little bit, and then you can go up and then try to work your way over to that, but you have to walk up the hill quite a bit. There might be another elevator too. It takes you right up there. So let's just kind of go all the way out here. This is kind of a main street right here. Avenida do Dr. Rodrigo Rodriguez. Kind of a big monument to the city. And then this is Macau's tradition of Macau. So what we're standing on now is reclaimed land. Okay, let's try to give you a little bit more context by walking back towards Metropark. Over there is Royal, the supermarket. A couple of supermarkets here, and there's also a college, Santa Rosa. I think it's a high school. Not a real. Sometimes they use the word Colegio College. And then we're gonna come back Holiday Inn Express right there. Then we're gonna come right back that way. And then there's Metropark is straight that way. There's Landmark, McDonald's, so we started in those two. And I believe that's the backside of Metropark. I said, sorry for that little interruption there. The camera said something about exposure, something wasn't the lighting. I keep things lighting keeps changing. It's kind of cool little space. So we're just gonna go all the way. We're gonna walk all the way down the street and then we're gonna come back. So there's a Landmark again that we started at, and McDonald's. Got some soup in here. It's kind of cool. Got some okay. Metropark. East. And now we're back at Metropark again. So it looks like there's a nice lobby right there. So it looks like you got a nice lobby for maybe a restaurant as well. And then it looks like you kind of got some cool rooms, like those rooms right there on the side, the way they are built like that. From the backside you wouldn't get that, of course. Pretty cool. So that's the Metropark Hotel. Hope you like that one. Kind of a cool hotel in the middle here of Zape. Chiquinha, chiquinha.